What is your name? My name is Saisha. What is your name? My name is Saisha. Where are you from? I am from India. Where are you from? I am from India. How old are you? I am 20 years old. How old are you? I am 20 years old. What do you do? I am a student. What do you do? I am a student. How are you today? I am good, thank you. How about you? How are you today? I am good, thank you. How about you? What's the weather like today? It's sunny, rainy, cloudy, etc. today. What's the weather like today? It's sunny, rainy, cloudy, etc. today. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. What is this? This is a pen. What is this? This is a pen. How do you say hello in English? Hello. How do you say hello in English? Hello. How many fingers do you have? I have 5 fingers. How many fingers do you have? I have 5 fingers. What color is the sky? The sky is blue. What color is the sky? The sky is blue. What time is it? It is 5 p.m. What time is it? It is 5 p.m. What day is it today? Today is Monday. What day is it today? Today is Monday. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have. What do you like to do for fun? I like to dance for fun. What do you like to do for fun? I like to dance for fun. How do you go to work? I go to work by car. How do you go to work? I go to work by car. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is biryani. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is biryani. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is mathematics. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is mathematics. What is the opposite of hot? The opposite of hot is cold. What is the opposite of hot? The opposite of hot is cold. How many seasons are there? There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. How many seasons are there? There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 6 a.m. What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 6 a.m. Do you like to read books? Yes, I like to read books. Do you like to read books? Yes, I like to read books. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is elephant. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is elephant. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can ride a bike. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can ride a bike. What is your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is Christmas holiday. What is your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is Christmas holiday. How many siblings do you have? I have 2 siblings. How many siblings do you have? I have 2 siblings. Do you like to cook? Yes, I like to cook. Do you like to cook? Yes, I like to cook. What is the tallest mountain in the world? The tallest mountain in the world is Mount Everest. What is the tallest mountain in the world? The tallest mountain in the world is Mount Everest. Can you play a musical instrument? Yes, I can play piano. Can you play a musical instrument? Yes, I can play piano. What is the capital of the United States? The capital of the United States is Washington, D.C. What is the capital of the United States? The capital of the United States is Washington, D.C. Do you have any hobbies? Yes, my hobbies are reading books, watching movies, cooking. Do you have any hobbies? Yes, my hobbies are reading books, watching movies, cooking. How many days are in a week? There are 7 days in a week. How many days are in a week? There are 7 days in a week. What is the largest ocean? The largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. What is the largest ocean? The largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. Can you dance? Yes, I can dance. Can you dance? Yes, I can dance. What is the capital of France? The capital of France is Paris. What is the capital of France? The capital of France is Paris. Do you like to travel? Yes, I like to travel. Do you like to travel? Yes, I like to travel. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. Can you speak any other languages? Yes, I can speak. What is the longest river in the world? The longest river, Doris, is the Nile. What is the longest river in the world? The longest river, Doris, is the Nile. Do you like to exercise? Yes, I like to exercise. Do you like to exercise? Yes, I like to exercise. Do you like pizza? Yes, I love pizza. Do you like pizza? Yes, I love pizza. Do you have any pets? No, I don't have any pets. Do you have any pets? No, I don't have any pets. Do you enjoy reading books? Yes, I enjoy reading books. Do you enjoy reading books? Yes, I enjoy reading books. Do you play any musical instruments? No, I don't play any musical instruments. Do you play any musical instruments? No, I don't play any musical instruments. Do you prefer summer or winter? I prefer summer. Do you prefer summer or winter? I prefer summer.